안녕하세요, 루시 그리고 마크랍니다. 이 작은 캠핑카는 튜브예요. 저희 여정은 한국에서 시작해 러시아, 몽골을 운전해 지금은 유럽에 있답니다. 전 세계를 횡단하려고 하고 있어요. 그럼 여러분 함께 횡단 여정을 해볼까요? 굿모닝입니다, TV 그룹분들. 저희 무료 캠핑장에 도착했어요. 근데 지금 날씨가 안 좋아서 빨리빨리 말을 하고 차 안에 들어가야 될 것 같습니다. 캠핑장에는요, 펌프 스테이션이랑 그리고 솔로 패널이 있어가지고요, 전기 자전거 사용하시는 분들 무료로 충전할 수 있도록 해놨더라고요. 물은 무료고 전기는 2유로를 내면 6시간 사용할 수 있더라고요. 아이고, 진짜 정신이 하나도 없네. Okay, I'm gonna vlog inside of the car. The reason why when we got here, we both got the horrible cold and we didn't shoot anything. But during the time, the weather was so horrible. Storm hit Italy so hard. It hit so hard in Rome, and hailstorm. Everything is a flood over there. So we were in Rome like a few days ago, and then I'm kind of like, we said like, oh my god, we could be in trouble. TV could be sunk in the water. Possible when we saw the picture, those areas where we park and camp
Flooded.
Yeah, flooded and hailed. So ice is like huge ice in Rome right now, so hopefully everyone is okay in there. Today is like still we have a little bit storm left, and wind is crazy, and we were checking the trees, and trees like shaking so much. We are trying to get away from huge trees before it fall down to us, right?
Right.
Mark is not in good condition. It's cold.
Yep.
We both are like, oh man, this cold is so horrible. But anyways, we are gonna go to down to south part so that we can have the good weather. But unfortunately, we cannot jump in the water because of cold. But anyways, let's start today. 오늘도 가봅시다, TV 크루분들. Let's go, TV Cruise. Yeah!
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song? 2 hours a day.
저희 캠핑장 가기 전에요, 피자를 샀습니다. 왜냐면 이탈리아에는 피자가 맛있으니까. 피자 방금 픽업했고요. Oh my god, looks so yummy.
Better than the last one.
날이 어두워지기 전에 해변에서 캠핑할 수 있는 좋은 장소를 찾았어요. 오기 전에 산 피자를 먹기 시작했을 때 밖에서 소리가 들렸답니다.
Hello. Hello. Where's the other guy?
이 귀여운 인절미들과 잠시 놀았어요. 하지만 아직 감기 기운이 있었던 터라 일찍 자기로 했답니다. 그리고 새로 사귄 인절미 친구들이 내일 아침에도 있기를 희망하면서요.
It's
다
gone.
먹었나?
Yeah.
It's gone already?
Yeah. It's gone.
They must be hungry.
I got another can. I should give him that again.
Yeah, I guess one can wasn't enough.
Yeah.
You guys have a big belly, huh?
You like that?
Sit. Oh. 잘했어. 싸우지 말고. 이 귀여운 아이들은 저희와 함께 며칠 동안 같이 지냈어요. 근데 새로 사귄 친구들은 이 인절미들만이 아니랍니다.
Yeah, have a look through if you want. Manuela.
Yeah.
I'm Mark.
Mark.
And this is Lucy. Zach.
Zach.
I'd shake your hand, but I don't want to infect
Yeah.
you. so-
Manuela. Oh, Manuela.
And you'll Mark.
Mark and Lucy.
Mark and Lucy.
잭과 마누는 아주 아름다운 밴을 가지고 있었어요. 거기다 밴은 아주 독특한 특색을 가지고 있었답니다. 잠시 앉아 잭과 마누와 이야기를 나누었답니다.
I start. Okay, my name is Manuela and I'm from Argentina.
Yeah, and I'm from Perth, Australia. We met about 4 months ago, and it was by chance. I was in Broome and just met on the beach, and we hit it off pretty well. And I was always planning to come to Italy to travel a bit, and just asked her if she wanted to come, and
Say yes.
yeah, she said yes, and it's been nothing but good.
I don't know, from the first day we have a connection. So
Yeah, we lived out of her friend's car for the first.
yeah, because I was in Broome living in a car, literally, and then I met Zach in the beach, and then we said, okay, if you want, you can live with me in the car.
So we started off in a
Really?
small station wagon, and just like a little mattress in the back, and
So simple.
even in that cramped space, we just got on really well. And the Renault Master L2H3, I think it is, meaning like the length is 2 and the height is 3. 3 is as high as they can get, 2 is second longest. Main reason was so I could stand up in it, even though I'm a short guy. It's to just have the ability to stand up is brilliant. Got it done 7 weeks. This was 7 weeks like every day, and the key was having the right tools. So my friend that I was staying with, Lawrence, he's got a bunch of different tools. It's made it so easy, you know, just having a nail gun for example, like putting all this wood in. So I think materials alone without fridges or batteries or anything like that was probably around 1,800 euros. And then after I bought the battery and the fridge and stuff like that, and all the little trinkets and stuff to make it a bit better, probably pushed out to about 2,500 euros. So I bought the van for 3,900 and maybe 2.5. So all up, probably looking about 6.5, something like that.
It's a beautiful van. It looks amazing inside here, guys. So this bed just folds down,
Yeah.
right? It's a flip down bed.
Yeah. Yeah, so you just unhook it and it flips down and just sits on top of this. Like that's a little seat that comes up. So you can sit here and then this pulls kind of all the way out to
As
here.
a desk.
Yeah, it's like a little, but we haven't really been using it because we just kind of eat outside or whatever.
Yeah.
But when I was in Tarifa and I stayed there for 3 months, it kind of it's good because you turn it more into a house rather than just like a little van.
And then this is just where we keep our food. Our little sink, cooking area. We're just really simple. I haven't drilled a hole through the floor of the van yet, so the waste just collects in here. There's like a hammock that heroes from one end. So I'm just going to back you up to the other here. Hook that on, and then if you really want, you just chill out here. Yeah.
So we have like these containers that we put the clothes here and then.
We got some USB outputs that run into the battery bank, and we just have separate battery banks that we charge when it's sunny. And my battery compartment's like it's kind of hidden a little bit under there. It's underneath my speaker and subwoofer. When you've got both the doors open, you know, like when you're parked on a beach somewhere like this, it's beautiful.
Before I met Manu, I spent about a year in the van, travelling around, and then I mentioned before I got a bit bit sick, so I had to kind of go home for a bit. And it was just from not taking care of myself, you know, eating bad food, drinking too much. You get ill, and all of a sudden everything stops, and you have to reevaluate like what's important, and really what's important is your body, because without it you can't do anything. And so I had to really change a lot of things, and having to cook for yourself every day because you can't eat meals from other places. Like, you learn how to cook, and you learn about nutrition, and you learn what does what, and so now I'm a pretty good cook. And
A lot. I learned a lot.
Manu, yeah, she's kind of learning as we go, and we cook together, and yeah, it's good.
Small places are, I don't know, I feel really comfortable there. It's not like, oh no, I'm in the van and I don't have space. Like, really, this one is really big, so it's really nice. The only bad thing is maybe the shower, because we have to always find a place to take a shower or go to a toilet or whatever. But in other case, like, we have everything. The battery is like charging, with the solar panel, so we're pretty comfortable.
Yeah, for you, showers. Me, I can go a couple of weeks, without a shower. And I've got my little rag that I wash myself with. Yeah. And the best thing for me, I think, having the small space, and it kind of makes everything inside the space you use. You use everything. So nothing in this van sits there and does nothing, you know. So it gives you the ability to develop that kind of creativity. This is a small space, but you've got all this area as your playground, and you start to relax, and then the creativity comes. You know, the music, the guitar, the creation of we draw a bit of stuff every now and then, and just that kind of thing really goes a long way. The more feet you put inside society, the more it holds on to you, and to get away from that, you just need to believe that you can. First thing is be prepared, or be willing to let go of things, possessions that might be holding you. Whether it's your house, it's a bit different if you've got kids and stuff like that. You know, you need to weigh up if you want to be a good parent or take care of yourself. You know, I'd choose to be a good parent because kids, but that's your choice. But if you don't have, responsibilities like children or something like that, and you've just got a house, or you've just got like furniture that you bought, or a nice TV, just having the ability to let that go, and realize it doesn't mean as much. As you can always buy new stuff if you can believe that things can be better, and you don't have to live a certain way just because everyone's told you have to live a certain way.
And I think another tip is like explore. Don't keep in the tourist places. Like, I don't know, if you go to Rome, only go to the Vatican, because there's so many places. Like, we only, we change always the plans, and we say, okay, we want to go to Venice, and then we say, okay, but what is in the middle between Venice? So we start to research and blogs and stuff, and we start to explore. Like, this place is not so well known, and it's beautiful, and I think we will spend a lot of days here. So the freedom to explore and new things, and I think this one is the best thing.
If people want to follow you guys and check how you're doing, how can they find you?
I have an Instagram that is Manu Valera. I always share a little bit about our life.
When I built this, I did a bunch of videos on how to build it, and I've got a bit of a montage kind of parody video as well. But that's Zach B Free, and that's on YouTube and Instagram. But we'll probably set something up for both of us pretty soon, and
because we have a lot of content,
we've got a lot.
We love photograph and making videos. I'm making a video of all the trips, so.
여러분, 제 목소리가 별로 안 좋은 거 아실 거예요. 인터뷰 이후에 감기가 좀 더 심해져가지고 마크랑 저랑 기침을 많이 하고 있었거든요. 근데 잭이 감기 걸리면 만들어 먹는 티가 있는데 갖다 줬어요. 직접 끓여가지고. 진저랑 그리고 레몬이랑 넣어서 만든 거라고 합니다. 여튼 고맙습니다. 잘 마시겠습니다. 굿모닝입니다, TV 크루분들. 제 목소리가 좀 가라앉았죠. 아직 감기가 안 나가지고 저보다 마크가 오늘 좀 안 좋아서 좀 걱정이긴 한데요. 약이 다 떨어져가지고 지금 급하게 약국 찾으러 가야 될 것 같습니다. 떠날 준비를 하려고 하는데 마크가 사라져가지고 찾으러 가는 중입니다. 이거 마크 상태가 오늘 안 좋아요. 열이 좀 있는 것 같아요. 해열제를 먹이고 약국 가서 기침약이랑 이렇게 구해서 먹이고 재워야겠습니다. 감기에 제일 좋은 약은 잠이랑 쉬는 거니까요. 마크 저기 있다.
What are you doing here?
Just looking at the rocks.
What do you think? This one is pretty too.
Yeah, pink. So many colors, huh?
Oh, poor Mark. You really want to jump in the water, but because of cold, you cannot. Are you ready to leave for
Yep.
the pharmacy?
Ready?
Okay.
You like it, baby. Like it, hey? Aww. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 가자. Let's go. Yeah. He got the stick.
stick?
Yeah. You want to play?
There are 3 dogs actually. While we were staying, they were just like taking care of TV, and they were like barking. Someone like come to our van, and the other van is nice dog, friendly. I think they don't have owner. They just love to chill out on the beach and sun. Nice life.
Out of here.
Hey guys, we're leaving.
Yeah.
It was
That's me, man.
Oh yeah, sure.
we
Terrible.
positioned, yeah.
You don't want this. You don't want any of this.
Next time when
Hope
we
you
see.
feel better, eh?
Yeah. Where's Manu? She's inside.
sorry.
Manu.
Washing my teeth.
We're gone.
Bye.
We can
don't
hug,
do
yeah.
that.
Sorry.
Keep the barrier here.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yeah. Next
Yeah,
time
you
we
too.
see you guys.
And now
we'll-
we're gonna give you a big hug.
Okay.
Alright,
All right.
catch ya.
Have a good trip. See ya.
Thanks for everything, eh?
Yeah. You too, man.
Yeah.
저희를 후원하고 있는 튜비 크루분들에게 감사 인사를 전하고 싶어요. 크루분들의 응원과 후원이 없었다면 횡단을 계속하기 힘들었을 거예요. 아직 튜비 크루에 합류하지 않았다면 지금이 딱 좋은 시기랍니다. 튜비 크루에 참여하신 분들에게는 감사의 의미로 해외에서 엽서를 보내어드리고 있어요. 그리고 채널 멤버십에 올라온 마지막 영상도 확인해주세요. 저희 여러분 차가 잠겼습니다. We got stuck while I was like talking about this campsite because we decided not to do it because it's so foggy. I like the feeling of being in cloud. 차가 빠졌어요. 짠! 루시의 오늘 영상이 좋았나요? 좋았다면 좋아요 버튼 꾹 눌러주시고요. 좋아요는 저희가 영상을 만들고 그리고 응원의 메시지가 된답니다. 저희 채널이 처음이시라면요. 여기 이쁜 얼굴이 뜰 겁니다. 여기를 클릭하셔가지고 구독해주시고요. 그리고 제 옆으로 뜨는 영상들이 있을 거예요. 놓치셨다면 하나씩 클릭하셔가지고 봐주세요. 그럼 저는 안녕!